Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up IR Proxy VPN for a simple and effective way to protect your online activities. This tutorial will guide you through each step, from installing the app to establishing a secure VPN connection. Let's get started. This tutorial focuses on setting up IR Proxy VPN, an app designed for easy VPN access. We'll cover downloading the app, updating its resources, selecting a server, and connecting to the VPN service. By following these steps, you can quickly establish a secure internet connection on your Android device. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Search for IR Proxy VPN in the search bar. Type IR Proxy VPN. Step 3. Confirm app and icon before installing. Confirm that the app name and icon match the correct IR Proxy VPN app to avoid installing a fake or malicious app. Step 4. Install the app. Tap Install to download and install the IR Proxy VPN app. Step 5. Launch IR Proxy VPN. Once installed, tap Open to launch the IR Proxy VPN app. Step 6. Access menu. Tap the 4-line menu icon located in the top left corner of the app screen. This opens the main menu. Step 7. Check for updates in the menu. Tap Check Updates. This ensures that the app has the latest server list and configurations for optimal performance. Step 8. Wait for update. Wait for the app to check for and install any available updates. This process may take a few moments. Step 9. Select Auto Server. Tap Auto Server on the main screen. Step 10. Confirm Auto Server selection. Confirm that you want to use the Auto Server option by selecting Auto Server, again from the list. This lets the app choose the best server for your location. Step 11. Select Connection Method. Tap Connection Method. Step 12. Choose connection type. Select All Countries UDP. This allows the VPN to connect using UDP protocol across all available countries. Step 13. If UDP is not supported in your region or doesn't provide a stable connection, search for and select your specific country from the list. Step 14. Start the connection. Tap Start to initiate the VPN connection. Step 16. Connection established. Wait for the app to establish the VPN connection. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your VPN connection is active. And that's it. You've successfully set up IR Proxy VPN. You can now browse the internet with an added layer of security and privacy. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description.